Couple returning home from Mother's Day event attacked in St. James. Vendor killed, man injured in St. Mary market gun attack. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A couple returning home from a Mother's Day event came under gun attack in Providence Heights, St. James on Sunday night. The man was fatally shot while the mother of his children was shot and injured. She was taken to hospital. The deceased has been identified as 33-year-old Dwayne Crew of Providence Heights. It is reported that they were attacked by gunmen while in the process of opening the door to their home. The attackers fled the scene. More details to come following further investigations. A market vendor was shot and killed at a market located in Highgate, St. Mary on Saturday. The deceased has been identified as 39-year-old Shelton Watson, alias Nan, of Dean Penn, St. Mary. Watson succumbed to his injuries at hospital after he and another man was shot during shopping hours at the Highgate market. Reports are that shortly after 3 p.m. on Saturday, Watson was among persons gambling at the back of the market when an armed man approached and opened gunfire at him. Shoppers and vendors were sent scampering for cover as the bullets rang out in the area. When the shooting subsided, Watson and another man were seen suffering from gunshot wounds. They were transported to the hospital where Watson died while undergoing treatment, and the other man, who was shot in the leg, was treated. The police are searching for the gunman who fled the scene on foot after the shooting.